saw in that other video. Folding this thing up did become a little tricky. I was trying to do some more stuff, so I didn't completely finish it, but so we're just going to do another one. Unfold it. Put your ring in. Make sure the tabs are on the bottom. And put a bag in. This thing comes with a few bags. And now you've got a potty. Fold it up. It is really simple. You just have to know how to do it, I guess. But it's a little deceiving on the way the numbers are. On this thing. So on the inside, there's numbers, and you can't really see them, but there's 1 and 2s and 3s and 4s, and then goes back to 1 and 2. The thing you have to do is the 1 and 2s, you don't fold those. You'd think you would fold 1 and 2 first, but you don't. That's not what you do. Keep 1 and 2s flat like this, and then fold in on them like that. Like I said, it's very simple, but you have to keep those flat, and then you do the same thing on this side. Keep that 1 and 2 flat, fold it in, and fold it in. It looks very simple when somebody else does it, but it's a little deceiving the way those numbers are written in there. And then on this, there's a couple cutaways right there where it sits in there, and sits down in there. Put the disc back on, back in the bag. It's rigid, this is flat. It's a good spot for me to keep my wrist on the axe. And it's that simple. Trip tips.